Bonjour, boys and girls. Are you ready for the Fancy Nancy alphabet? It's extra fancy. You want to know what it is? Well, A is for accessories and B is for best friends named Brie. Canine starts with C, which is a fancy word for D-O-G dog. E is very elegant and F is very fantastic. G, of course, is glamorous and H for tasty, H hors d'oeuvres. Ooh la la la, the Fancy Nancy alphabet. Ooh la la la, the Fancy Nancy alphabet. Okay, boys and girls, time to kick it up a notch. You ready? Here we go. Ice skating starts with I and JoJo starts with J and Nick Nack starts with K. Lavender, Mom and Nancy, ooh for ooh la la, and P for papillon, and Q for queen, R for responde s'il vous plaît. Now S. S is for your sister, T is for tiara, U is for umbrella, use and very wet weather, X for xenophile, and Y for you and I, and Z for zipper zip. Zip!